My proudest achievement in engineering, I've recently was an electronics design engineer for a project that upgraded the thermal imaging capability of a European Army's main battle tank, and that provided a step change in the functionality that the soldiers have on the battlefield. I was able to go down and be present on the firing trial to see that successfully be operated by the soldiers after all the work was really good. Looking forward to next in engineering, just progressing with my career, taking on more responsibility, more complex projects. I'm definitely the engineer that likes to get stuck in and hands-on, so continue mentoring young engineers coming through and progressing within Thales. I think we take the wrong approach with young children and getting a career in engineering. Young children by their nature are inquisitive, and we need to grow that within them rather than dismiss it. People often use the term engineer to describe jobs such as mechanic or heating engineer. Whilst they are completely useful jobs, there's a lot more to engineering than that. I think if we encourage that to children, the different career paths that they can take, then that would be excellent. I was always very inquisitive, always asking my parents why these things work the way they do, and I think it was a natural progression. Always enjoyed maths and physics at school, and electronics engineering was a natural fit for me. It's continuously evolving. We don't know what engineering is going to be like in the next 10 years, the next 20 years. It's going to completely change the world we live in, and you can be a part of that if you have a career in engineering. You can really influence the way that we live, the way that we not only live today, but the way future generations will live with a career in engineering. Advice I would give to upcoming engineers is do what you enjoy. If you have an interest in engineering, follow it. Don't be disheartened by a lot of maths and physics content. It isn't the most important thing to be good at maths and physics. What you need is a passion, and if you've got a passion for engineering, that will show and you'll become a fantastic engineer.